Hey parents, worried about your kid's smartphone safety? In today's video, we are comparing three top monitoring apps, mSpy, Eyezy and uMobix, across key areas like text message tracking, social media, location and more. I'll pick a winner after discussing each feature to help you choose the best app for your family needs. Stay tuned. Let's talk about compatibility first. Eyezy, uMobix, and mSpy offer cross-platform compatibility, supporting both Android and iPhone devices. For Android, these apps are compatible with devices running OS version 4.0 and above, and there's no need to root the target phone to enable tracking. For iPhones, both apps allow seamless monitoring without the need for installation on the device. Instead, they use iCloud for tracking, requiring only the iCloud credentials of the target device. Now let's talk about ease of installation. Among the three apps we are discussing, uMobix stands out for its incredibly easy installation process. With its automatic setup, uMobix secures all necessary permissions quickly, requiring no manual effort. In contrast, both mSpy and Eyezy involve a more time-consuming manual setup, where users must individually grant permissions. To put it into simple words, uMobix can be installed in just 2 to 3 minutes, whereas mSpy and Eyezy typically take 5 to 7 minutes to complete the process. Next up, we have calls and messages. uMobix, mSpy and Eyezy all perform similarly when it comes to tracking call logs and text messages, including deleted ones. However, uMobix stands out slightly by highlighting deleted data, giving it a small advantage over the other two. While all three apps excel at tracking calls and texts, none of them offer a call recording feature, which is a significant drawback. If you want a monitoring app with call recording feature, watch this video of mine using the I button. Coming to location tracking. Location tracking is one of the most essential features of a monitoring app, allowing users to track the whereabouts of their loved ones and ensure their safety. Fortunately, all three apps, uMobix, mSpy and Eyezy, offer accurate location tracking on the map. However, for the first time in this comparison, uMobix falls behind mSpy and Eyezy due to its lack of a geofencing feature. Geofencing is a vital tool for setting boundaries and receiving alerts whenever the target device enters or exits these designated areas, making it an important parental control feature. Now let's talk about social media tracking. When it comes to monitoring social media activity on a target phone, Eyezy, uMobix and mSpy can track popular apps like Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. However, uMobix offers a significant advantage in this area. During testing, I found that uMobix could monitor a broader range of social media platforms without requiring the target Android phone to be rooted. This makes it more convenient and user-friendly for tracking various social media activities without the hassle of rooting. In contrast, mSpy and Eyezy have more limitations. While they can track some social media apps, they cover fewer platforms. To access a wider range of social media activity, you may need to root the target phone, which can be complicated and risky for users who are unfamiliar with the process. Therefore, for those looking for a simpler and more efficient way to track social media activity on a target phone, uMobix is the better choice. Its ability to monitor more platforms without rooting makes it a more comprehensive solution. If you didn't know, uMobix allows you to remotely access the target phone's camera and microphone, letting you capture photos or see live video through the phone's front or rear camera, which is crucial for ensuring the safety of your child. Besides that, uMobix also allows you to activate the microphone and listen in on the phone surrounding. This feature is missing from mSpy and Eyezy. Coming to one of the most important factors, data sync speed. Data sync speed refers to the time it takes for monitoring app to display recorded data from the target device on your dashboard. In this aspect, uMobix outperforms the competition. While mSpy and Eyezy experience a slight delay in the syncing of the recorded data, uMobix delivers faster results. Although the delay with mSpy and Eyezy isn't significant, if you value near instant updates, uMobix is the better choice. It can sync data from the target device within seconds as long as the device is connected to the internet. Now let's talk about the impact these apps have on the target device. Spy apps are designed to remain discreet on the target phone, operating quietly to avoid detection. However, poorly designed apps can lead to issues like rapid battery drain or slow performance. Fortunately, both uMobix and mSpy are well optimized and do not suffer from these problems, ensuring smooth and efficient operation without affecting the phone's performance. Now let's see how is the customer support of these apps. Customer support plays a vital role when choosing a monitoring app. uMobix, Eyezy, and mSpy excel in this area, offering responsive and helpful assistance through live chat. During my experience with both apps, I found it easy to contact their support teams and each efficiently handled and resolved my inquiries. This positive experience with customer support enhances the overall usability and reliability of both applications, making them more user-friendly and trustworthy options for phone monitoring. Finally, let's talk about pricing. When comparing the monthly plans of Eyezy, mSpy, and uMobix, Eyezy emerges as the most affordable option at $38.39 per month. mSpy is moderately priced at $48.99, which is $10.60 more expensive than Eyezy. On the other hand, uMobix is the costliest of the three, with a monthly subscription price of $49.99. $11.60 higher than Eyezy and $1 more than mSpy. Therefore, for short-term monitoring needs, Eyezy offers the best value for money, while uMobix is the most expensive choice. When comparing mSpy, Eyezy, and uMobix, uMobix stands out with several key advantages. It allows remote access to the target phone's camera and microphone, which mSpy or Eyezy does not offer. Additionally, uMobix provides access to all social media platforms without requiring the phone to be rooted, making it more versatile. Also, the app's installation process is quick and discreet, minimizing the risk of detection. These features, combined with its comprehensive monitoring capabilities, make uMobix the better choice over mSpy and Eyezy for a more effective and efficient phone monitoring experience. For these reasons, uMobix is highly recommended. If you have liked this video, show it by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel.